Welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today I'm going to show you the Paw Patrol chain. So we're going to open it. So you can the back. You can see that there is no. So there is the.
Who do you see on the back of the box?
Ryder and Chase. Lubble. No, I know all of them.
You keep going, Tiny Treasures Minnie. Marshall.
That's Chase. And that's
Rubble.
Lubble and Marshall. And
Rocky. Marshall and Zuma.
No.
And there's a red train, but we're going to build our blue train today.
Yeah.
And this is our Paw Patrol train. And we've got our engine, 2 cars, and a caboose. And we're going to build the tracks together. And then we're going to turn it on and watch the train go round and round.
And it's so exciting.
It's so exciting. So I'll help put it together, Tiny Treasures Minnie. You put one side together. And how you put them together?
I know how.
I'm going to put 2 pieces together like this. And you slip them together. And they clip together like that. And so we've got 3 round pieces to go together. So we'll do one more. Just like that. And then we add a straight piece to one end. And the other straight piece to the other end. And it's very easy to build. They're very light pieces. They're easy to clip in. And I'm going to help Tiny Treasures. There we go.
She means Tiny Treasures Minnie.
Right. Tiny Treasures Minnie is building the train with me today. Because he likes trains. Don't you?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so now we're going to set up our train on the track.
So what more thing is to do that. Yep. And then water down there. I'll check if it's okay on this. It's okay. Yeah. And that because this big one goes on the back.
That's the caboose, right?
Mm-hmm. And the caboose is really big. And then
The caboose has a little part where they can stand on the back, right?
yeah. And that.
Okay, and the switch is on the front. And we're going to switch it on. Whoa! And there's our Paw Patrol train. Choo-choo!
Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.